Hello Ismail, hope you are well. So I have set up your main dashboard where you can see every eh, different Facebook ad, Google ad, Microsoft ad, different status like this is main dashboard, lead performance dashboard. Here you can see Facebook ad spend this and Facebook CPL this and Facebook CPA this, and then Google ad spend, Google CPL and Google CPA, then Microsoft ad spend, Microsoft CPL and Microsoft CPA different. How I can I have set up this. So here I in create a folder, go high level dashboard. So inside folder I have created two dashboard, business moving group leads and Sticko champion leads. So here in business board, so I have set up three group: Facebook ad, Google ad, Microsoft ad. So here I have set up the like lead name, email, phone number, source platform, campaign name, submission date, appointment, ad spend, cost per ad, cost per appointment, revenue generated, lead status, and something. So here I have set up this in this board, business moving group board. In each group like Facebook, Google ad, Microsoft ad, so on. Then in Sticko champion board, so in this board I have created similarly this Facebook ad leads, Google ad lead and Microsoft ad lead, and I have set up these like lead name, email, phone number and so more. And by the way, already I have test one lead, so no, this is it's working smoothly in you can see every view in dashboard. So now you need to connect your the go high level form with monday.com, so then their lead automatically move here in this group business like board. So then you can see every status in dashboard. So check out this video and let me know if you need any changes and if you have any further question. Thank you.